Welcome to another episode of One or More, where I try to make you laugh one or more times. Let's get started. On Saturday, a United Airlines engine exploded in midair. In order to make up for the whole ordeal of losing an engine mid-flight, United gave each disembarking passenger a $7,000 repair bill. Recently, Rudy Giuliani made highly inappropriate comments about female golfer Michelle Wie West. Surprisingly, Bridgerton star Regé-Jean Page asked Rudy Giuliani to reach out to him for help, because after making his first appearance on SNL and making all the girls swoon, Page just doesn't know what to do with all the panties that were thrown at him. Dominion Voting Systems is suing MyPillow and its CEO Mike Lindell for $1.3 billion because his statements has caused irreparable harm to Dominion's reputation. Ironically, with the Democrats controlling the House, the Senate, and the presidency, Dominion Voting Systems continue to be in high demand because of its reputation. In tech news, nearly 30,000 Apple computers are infected with a mysterious malware. Investigators aren't really sure what the malware is intended to do. Listen, I'm no expert, but I'm guessing the malware calls you about your expiring car warranty. In Northern California, an entire school board resigned after they criticized parents during a public virtual meeting by saying parents wish they had their babysitters back. It seems the resignations were premature because not one parent complained. Two women in their 30s and 40s were caught trying to get the second doses of the COVID vaccine shots by dressing up as grannies. However, everyone knows the best way not to be questioned by authorities is having the two women disguise themselves as cross-dressing grandpas. In response to McDonald's selling $5 hoodies to help promote their new chicken sandwich, Wendy's is considering selling their own hoodie to help promote the Baconator. Finally, Senator Ted Cruz told reporters on Thursday that his decision to fly to Cancun as Texas suffered from a historic winter storm was a mistake. Cruz said he wished he had a chance to do it all over again because if he could, he would have drove to Cancun. That is the news and jokes for February 22nd. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if I made you laugh once, then hit that like button. Otherwise, be safe, and I'll see you again tomorrow.